Hello, this video is on how to create a YouTube thumbnail. So this will be a tutorial on that. For that, we go to Canva. I'm going to use Canva. Now you only need to have a free account. The link is in the description below, but it's basically www.canva.com. For those who do want to try out the pro version, there is a link. And if you click that, I think you get about 30 days of free trial, but you do not have to have a pro account for this. You can use this on your free account. So first of all, we go to the home page, and then what we do is we go up to create a design. Okay, so when you click create a design, this box is going to show up, and then you go down to custom design, and then you put in your measurements. Now for YouTube thumbnail, it is 1280 by 720 pixels. Make sure it's on pixels, and then you click create new design, and you come to this page. Now this page has a lot of templates, a lot of elements, and all sorts of things. So you go up to elements on your left, and you type in, let's say for example, gardening. Let's go for gardening for today's tutorial. So there's graphics, there's photos, there's videos, and all sorts of things. But this is a thumbnail, so you don't need animation. You just need a photo. Could be a photo, could be a graphic, you choose. So they actually even give you a few hints like vegetable garden. So you can go in and put in, let's say, vegetable garden if that's what you're doing. So again, when you type that in, it'll give you all these different images, graphics, photos, videos, and so on. Now, what you can do is, you can click through and look through everything and see which it is that you'd like to. You can even go to the filter, and you can go down to use the free option, which is what I would suggest, to use the free option. But you can use a pro image if you do have the pro account. If you do not have the pro account, you need to use the free images, because if you use the pro account, if you use the pro images, there will be a watermark. Now you can buy that image, but I would suggest, if you want to keep your costs down, you just look for a free image, or you can go to Pixabay, www.pixabay.com, and look for images there. Download an image from there if you'd like, and then upload it onto Canva. Okay, so now you can go to YouTube and see what sort of images they have as their thumbnail. So if you look at it, it's mostly, now if you have a picture of yourself, that's even better. There's no copyright. So if you have a picture of yourself in a garden, or a picture of your garden, that's even better. There's no copyright issues, so you can use that. Now if you see here, you have a photo of a bed of flowers. You have, for example, this person is doing 9 raised bed mistakes. So you can go through the images here, look through, see what you'd like. Now for this tutorial, it's going to be on gardening. So I'm going to look for a gardening image. I found one. You right click it, and you set it to set image as background. And once you do that, what happens is it fills up the whole size. So you get that. Okay. So next, what you want to do is to add some text, of course. So once you're happy with it, you go up to your left-hand side and you scroll up to the text. You click the text button, and you'll have an option. A lot of it is pro, so I would suggest you just go straight to add a heading. You click that, and then it comes up to the image, and you type in what you want. Now in this case, I'm just going to type growing your first garden. Now of course you can't see it, it's in black, so you arrange it, you position it to where you want it to be. You can make the fonts bigger, you can make it smaller, you can align it. It's up to you what you want to do. So what you can do is then you click on the text box, the text color, and you can even change the color to what you'd like. So for example, for this, I'm changing it to white. So now looking at it, So if you go up, you can see the alignment. It was on center. So now I've aligned it to the left hand side. So that's how it looks now, to the left hand side. And you just adjust it to how you want it. Now you can do other adjustments. You can do effects. For example, you go up to effects and you can change it to, let's say, shadow or lift, and then you adjust the you can change the color to pink, red, whatever you choose. So let's go back to white, and then we'll go back to effects on top, and we'll go to background. So we'll change the background. If you can see, automatically it changes to black. So we can change it. Just click on it and you can change the color to any color that you want. Okay? You can change it to orange, you can change it to teal, or any color that you would like. A light yellow, a spelling error, so let me just fix that. Now you can change the text again. Let's say you think the white doesn't look good, you can change the text. And the good part about it is, what it does is it also brings up the photo colors, if you see. So the colors of the photos will also be there in case you want to use the colors of the photo. And then you go back to effects, and I clicked it to none for now, and I just wanted to see how it is. Now let's go back to effect, put the background again. It's black. Now I want to change it, so let me see what color would look good. Now if you like that, then you'd have to change it to black so that it stands out, because otherwise the white would not stand out. So you need to adjust to how you want it, to how people are going to view it. Now if you change it to red, for example, it's good, it'll stand out, but you can't see it because it's a black text. And I'm just reducing the size because that's how it's going to show up in YouTube. And so you need to stand out in that. So change it to white and it will show better. So basically, this is your thumbnail. If you're happy with it, then this is your thumbnail. And you can change it as I've shown. You can change the red to any other color, but this is your thumbnail right now. Now you can change your font. Let's say you want to change it to any, you just click on the text, you go up to the font and you can change it. Maybe you want to change it to this, or it may not be something that you like, so you change it to a text font, a font that you like. You can change, you go up there, you can change the size. You can change it incrementally by clicking on it consistently, or you can just highlight the whole thing and put in a size that you want. And this is how it's going to look. So again, you do your adjustments, see how you want it. And if you're happy with it, or let's say you want to change, adjust it to the middle, and now you don't want it aligned to the left, maybe you want it aligned in the center. So then again, you click the text, you go up there to the alignment and you make it to the center and you adjust it. So now you have your thumbnail for your video. If you're happy with it, you go up to the share button, you click on download, okay, and then you click, now you want it as now you do want it as MP4 because you want it as a video. Okay. Then you do not have to do any of the transparent or anything like that. You just click, you go ahead and click download. Now it will be downloading depending on your internet speed, how fast it is. And click on what's been downloaded, and that's your thumbnail. Fast and easy. I hope you liked it. Please do like, share, and subscribe.